Hey everyone, Ryan Von Scheller Family Experience. We're out here at Travertine Hot Springs, just outside of Bridgeport, and just kind of heading back home from Mammoth from our big races, and decided to check this place out. So it's down a dirt road a couple miles, and they got a lot of little pools all over the place. So they've got one pool right here by the parking area, and then if you hike down, there's like 3 pools that are really cool, and then you can hike around the corner. Pretty cool spot. Water was about well over 100 degrees, so, and it's about 80 or 90 degrees out here right now, so we didn't really get in all the way, just kind of put our feet in and checked it all out. See you here.
Corbin, close the door.
What are you at, Kim?
Corbin, hold on.
There's a naked man by the hot springs.
Did you actually see his wiener? Did you see his wiener?
No, he's covering it like this.